Hello, model railroad fans. Well, today I finished installing the rest of my alignment gizmos here on this side of the bridge, the hinge layout. You can see that's a little loose because I haven't glued them down. I will put some white glue across here and let it soak in to the cork. And then on this side, it's a little high, so I have to, press it down to get it just perfect. But yeah, they're working pretty good. I got the train going over it. My red coal car train that loves to derail right there is going over it just fine. Here's the other side. And I glued these down with the white glue. This side, so they're real stable. So I do that to the other side here, and yeah, so hopefully this is the last video I'll have to do on this gate. Wish me luck there, huh? Oh, one more thing, these black little strips here, foam strips to level the track. I didn't get this. I didn't get those hinges on perfect, so it's a little off, but not that bad. So good enough for Fred work. I've heard me say that again. So here's some trains running, and then some pictures.